It is not heavy. It is not small. Look, jack-o'-lanterns. They are not scary. Those are examples of the present simple negative tense. But what is present simple negative tense? Let's head to the classroom and talk about it. Hi, welcome back. Let's get started. If you need a review about present simple tense, go ahead and pause here and check out the lesson we made. The link will come up right here. Let's get started. To make present simple negative sentences using the verb form to be, not is added after the verb. For other verbs, the auxiliary verb do not or does not is used. Let's look at an example. The verb to be takes on the same form in both the positive and negative sentences. The only difference is adding the word not. Let's look at more examples. I am not hungry. I am not scared. Depending on the subject, the verb to be changes form. Oh, I am not hurt. She is not happy. Let's have a look at how to form simple present negatives with different subjects. Just like in the present simple tense, the to be verb form changes with the subject. I am. He is. She is. It is. You are. We are. They are. Let's see some examples. I am not a plumber. We are not cold. They are not home. She is not hungry. It is not a cat. Aaron is not a farmer. I'm a big coffee fan. She isn't a coffee fan. She doesn't like coffee. I'm, isn't, doesn't, aren't are all contractions that can be used with the present simple negative. Let's go talk about negative contractions. Is not and are not can be contracted two ways. The subject and the verb can be contracted, or the verb and not. They mean the exact same thing, so either is okay. Here are some more examples. He is not a farmer. He's not a farmer. He isn't a farmer. They are not happy. They're not happy. They aren't happy. I like steak. I do not like fish. She likes fish. She does not like steak. For verbs other than to be, do not or does not goes before the verb to make the negative. Let's look at how to form negatives with other verbs. Remember that the base form of the verb is used no matter what the subject is. I do not, you do not, we do not, they do not. He does not, she does not, it does not. Let's see some examples. You do not play violin. He does not work outside. We don't start work at 7 a.m. She doesn't have a car. The main verb in a negative sentence always stays in the base form, even when the subject is he, she, or it. I finished my pumpkin. I carved a face. It isn't scary. I hope you understand a little more about present simple negative tenses. Now you can go and try to make some present simple tense and present simple negative tense sentences. See you next time!